Across these vast American ranches, thousands of Grey Brahman bulls graze under the golden sun, the beginning of an extraordinary journey.
Ándale, ándale! Keep moving! Venga!
Vitals are excellent across the board. Clear this group for the next stage.
Confirmed. Opening automated gates now. Keep the lane clear on the left. Okay, pushing the next group forward now.
Okay, batch 7 secured on rack 12.
Noted. I've updated the digital log.
Look at this insect mark here.
Yes, and a minor vascular scar just below it.
Check the pH level, it's steady at 8.5. Good. Temperature is holding at 25 Celsius. Cycle time looks correct.
The temperature is optimal and the pH is stable at 8.2. Confirmed. The flow rate is accurate and the mixture is ready.
Check the temperature on line 3, it's slightly high.
It's within the acceptable range, and keep monitoring the pH levels.
The pH is stable at 4.
All right, cycle complete. Prepare for unloading.
Watch the edges on that one. Got it, pulling it clear now.
Middle-aged operators supervise the automated process through reinforced inspection windows, while digital displays continuously monitor drum speed.
chemicaled. The leather undergoes precision shaving, achieving its final production thickness and enhanced surface consistency. Check the pressure on booth 4. The humidity is stabilizing now. Looks good? We can send it to the rollers. Check the consistency on the left side. Looks uniform. The pressure is holding steady.
Look at the grain on this hide. Absolutely flawless. The curing cycle worked perfectly.
The lighting reveals even the smallest natural imperfections, surface scratches, or structural defects. High-resolution machine.
This Grey Brahman texture is ideal for the handles.
And the back panel fits perfectly within the high-quality zone.
All measurements verified on the front and back panels. Nesting efficiency is optimal. Waste minimized. Final approval granted. Send the file.
The yield optimization is at 98% on this hide. Confirmed. The grain matching is flawless for the duffel layout. Vacuum pressure is stable. Alignment confirmed? Yes, alignment verified. Initiating the cut cycle now. Adhesive levels holding steady at 0.9.
Roller pressure is optimal. The curing process seems stable.
Yes, the satin finish is flawless on this batch.
Swivel snaps engaged and rotating freely. Buckle confirmed. Ready for shaping.
We've reached peak pressure. The silhouette is perfect. Symmetrical alignment confirmed. Ready for the finishing station.
Export order confirmed. Send to consolidation.
Here are the duffels you requested for the display.
Thank you. They arrived in perfect condition.
The stitching is absolutely flawless and the leather feels incredible.
It truly is. Shall we finalize the purchase at the counter?
Here is your Grey Brahman duffel bag, freshly packed. Thank you for your purchase.
The Grey Brahman Duffle, a masterpiece of uncompromising craftsmanship, featuring precision stitching and polished brass hardware. The culmination of craftsmanship. The Grey Brahman Duffle, built for the journey ahead.
True luxury, handcrafted for life's journey. Explore the Grey Brahman collection.
Experience the world's greatest factories and extraordinary craftsmanship. Subscribe to Forge Motion Labs.